start.
Hey everybody, we're here with Neve today, and we're going to do some walking practice. So what we're going to do is stand him up, give a little slap with my arms. Let's see if he feels like walking. So I'm giving a little slack so he has to stand up on his own. And now I'm going to lean him to his right there. He took a right foot step and a left foot step. I'm going to lean him forward again. Let's see if he feels like stepping. He did a little step. Let's see if we get a bigger step. No rush. Let's see. We might get a left foot step now. There we did. We got a really good left foot step. Let's try get a right foot to catch up now. And it did. Great. Good job, Neve. Good. He's holding most of his weight up himself. And it's a good workout for me too, to stabilize him. There we go. Left foot step. Excellent. Lean to the right. No hurry. Right foot step. Little left foot step. Excellent. I'll back up. Let's see if we can do the whole couch. That's a good little left foot step. Lean to the right. Oops, I picked him up too much. I need to give him some slack so he can support his own weight and take a step when he's ready. He'll do a right foot step now. Excellent. And a left foot step. All right, and now he's tired. We'll stop. Good job, Neve.